On Capitol Hill in Washington today, an executive for the Takata Corporation found himself in the hot seat, apologizing for his company's defective airbags, believed to have killed at least 4 people in the U.S., injuring perhaps 100 others. That has led to a recall on 8 million vehicles so far. The feds want to see that number greatly expanded. The company is resisting. Our report on all of it from NBC's Tom Costello.
The most recent fatal accident tied to exploding airbags happened in Orlando 7 weeks ago.
She was in an accident. She's bleeding. She'll be start CPR.
The front-end damage to 51-year-old Hen Trans 2001 Honda wasn't that severe, but the medical examiner determined she died of penetrating injuries of the neck. Family attorney Hank Didier.
What went forward towards her are metal fragments from the inflator itself.
It just came right into her face and her neck.
Literally shoots through the bag into her neck.
And the tip of the shrapnel had embedded in my right sinus.
On Capitol Hill today, senators heard from 29-year-old Stephanie Erdman, who was partially blinded in an accident last year. You're angry with Takata and Honda.
Absolutely. Absolutely. They knew about this information well before I even had my accident.
Honda today apologized and said it failed Erdman, never telling her of a recall during 3 service visits. Also today, we heard for the first time from a Takata executive.
We are deeply sorry about each of the reported instances.
Who says Takata does not agree with the government's demand for a nationwide airbag recall because its data does not justify it.
I think your company is making a big mistake.
The company says it first learned of a problem in 2005, 3 years before Honda's first recall.
Did Takata put profits ahead of safety, sir?
No response to questions from NBC or the Japanese media as an airbag giant finds itself on the defensive. Tom Costello, NBC News, Capitol Hill.